Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about writing discourse. Writing discourse is the way we communicate ideas through writing. It uses clear grammar and organization to make message easy to understand. In academic writing, it helps explain ideas and present argument logically. Continue, Carl.
What is a written discourse? Is a process of communicating ideas through writing language in a clear, organized, and meaningful way. It involves arranging sentence and paragraphs so that readers can easily understand the reader's message. Unlike spoken communication, written discourse requires careful planning, organization, and revision to ensure clarity and accuracy. There are six main characteristics of written discourse. Purpose, organized, coherence, cohesions, accurate. It's consider audience, adapting the language to the readers. Some common examples of written discourse are academic essays, research papers, reports, new articles, business emails, and formal letters. Continue, Lisette.
Today I'm going to explain the structure of an essay. An essay is a piece of academic writing that presents and builds a central idea. We can remember its structure using the Hamburg format. Next. First, with the introduction or the thought points, includes and how to catch a reader's attention, some background information and the teaching states, and with its main idea or essay. Next comes the body which has three parables. Each parable straight with a topping sentence following by support detailed example or evidence and explanation is with a conclusion or transition sentence. Finally, we have the conclusion of the book illustrating the thesis, summaries the main idea, and leaves the reader with a finally strong or recommendation. Continue.
Coherence of a paragraph from an essay. The central topic idea regarding the rules for writing an academic essay explains that writing a good idea academic paragraph involves that simply placing words on paper so that they make sense. Rather, organize the structure in accordance with the definition provided in the syllabus. So, emphasize the three fundamental pillars of writing. Number one, cohesion, grammatical connections. Number two, coherence, logical order, and unity. Number three, meaning that every sentences must relate back to the single main idea. Understanding how these elements interact change everything as they provide a solid foundation for your essay. Thank you. Continue, please.
Logical development of an essay. The structure process we use to ensure our readers can easily follow our ideas. This process consists of 5 key stages. It all begins with pre-writing, the planning stage where we choose a topic, organizing information and build a clear structure. Reading, where we turn that online into paragraphs or create our first draft. Next page. Once we have a draft, we move on to revisit to improve our overall message, argument, and organization. Then comes editing, where we focus on polishing the language, correcting grammar, and fixing errors. Finally, we are arriving at publishing, where we present the final polished version to our audience in a clear and professional manner. Continue, Paulina.
In conclusion, writing discourse helps you communicate ideas clearly. Good organization, logical structure, and coherence make your writing easier to understand and more effective. Thanks. See you next video.